Allie. Ready? Mommy shades. Allie shades. Tell Daddy, put his shades on. Cool baby. Can you put your shades on? Put your shades on. Ooh, baby. Ready? Put them on. You put them on top of your head. Look, like this. There you go. Almost. Put them on. Ready? Ready? Tell Daddy, put his shades on. Look, Daddy has his shades on. Allie. Okay. Now Allie's shades. And Mommy's shades. Mommy's shades too.